I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by powering the repeater and placing it roughly 1/3 to 1/2 of the distance between your router and the dead zone. This gives the device a strong upstream signal. Once powered, connect your laptop to the repeater's temporary network or use Ethernet for setup. This is faster and avoids Wi-Fi dropouts. Make sure you have the router SSID and password ready and confirm security type like WPA2. These steps reduce retries and explain why placement and credentials matter before configuration. Now you'll log into the repeater's web interface or mobile app, type the IP shown in the manual into your browser, and enter the default username and password. Once inside, choose repeater or range extender mode, then scan for your router's SSID and select it. This links the devices. Make sure to match the router's security type and password exactly, because mismatches prevent authentication. Once linked, choose whether to keep the same SSID or create a distinct one. Consider same SSID for roaming, distinct SSID for control. Finish by relocating the repeater to its permanent spot based on the live signal test. Check speed and signal strength on a phone and laptop in the target area. Once done, reboot both router and repeater to clear caches and finalize IP leases. Update repeater firmware to fix stability issues. If performance is poor, move the unit 1 to 2 meters toward the router and retest. As a last resort, factory reset and reconfigure. This clears incorrect settings and often resolves persistent connection errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.